back to another episode of the 89 Garage. I am on my way home from work. To do on the Yaris tonight. I want to say it's been 3 times now. I have not had any action out of the blower fan. I do not believe it's the resistor because I don't have any speeds at all. I either believe that the blower motor is going bad or there's something in there it's rubbing on. We're gonna get home, take it apart and have a look at it. I have a diagram and I will put that right here to kind of show you where the blower motor is at. Looks, I've not been under there, but it looks fairly simple. 3-4 bolts maybe, and should be out, I'm hoping. We're good. We're about to climb underneath the Yaris dashboard here. All right, this is it right here. Doesn't look too terribly bad. Huh. Oh my goodness. That's filthy. I'm going to stick the key in. We're going to turn that on and just see if we can hear anything better. Right there. I don't think there's anything in there. Now let's turn this back off. Get in here. I can't really see. You guys can see better than I can. Is there anything in there? Is there anybody in there? Just nod if you can hear me. That was lame. I think I'm gonna pull it out though, because I can. Okay, I just I spun it, and that is the noise I'm hearing. I don't see anything stuck in it. It is pretty dang dirty. So I think I'm gonna plug my air compressor in and see if I can't get some of this crap off of here. Nothing was blocking it. I think it's on its way out. So I'm gonna have to order a new one, and when it gets here, finish the video. Might as well order a new filter while I'm at it, right? Oh boy, that's nice. Here we are a couple days later on this video, and today we're gonna be replacing the cabin filter, and I also decided to go ahead and replace the blower motor. Winter is right around the corner. Hate to tell you, I really don't want to get stuck like in Salt Lake, which is 35-40 miles from here, and not have any defrost or anything like that. So we're gonna fix it. All right, so on this glove box, dang, we're gonna go ahead and push in on both sides here, and then we'll just pop it out. Hopefully that's easy enough for you to see. We're gonna pinch that, pull this, and this This is angled, so you can kind of pull it out on an angle. I'm just eyeing these up to make sure they're the same size. And they indeed are. But I'm not going to do this until the end. I got all this stuff off of Amazon. I will put links in the description. All right, so this is the motor that I got. It is an exact replica. It is not a factory fan. I don't even remember the brand on it. But the factory one was like 250 bucks. Ain't happening. My go-to Four Seasons has a different setup. It's got wires on the outside of it. I really didn't want to change the style and all that crap, so I went with this one, and I don't know what this was, 40 bucks, something like that. A lot cheaper than anywhere else. So I will put a link to that in the description for you guys. Pick one of those up if you're in the need. Obviously, if you're here though, you're probably in the need. Let's go ahead and see if we can't remove some things. We're going to be using an 8mm. There's another one right here. Right there. This is a really bad place to film, sorry. Okay, to get this, can you see that? To get this thing off of here, just take and push it up a little bit with the flathead. Comes right up. And then unplug the motor. So if you listen to this thing here, you'll notice that it still makes a little bit of noise. And here that is here. Hopefully that comes through the camera. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and plug this back in. Line up this well. There we go. Now we can put this up. All we got to do is reinstall the 3 short bolts. All right, that is all done and complete. Now we can install this. Okay, you just take this sideways like so. And there we are. This has some hooks over there that it goes into, and then just snaps on like that. We're done. Done. That's what it normally sounds like. Nice. All right, guys, thanks for watching another episode of 89 Garage, and I will put the links to everything that we use today in the description below. I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you're going to buy this stuff, it would help me out if you use my links. I appreciate it. Thanks, guys. We'll talk to you guys next week.